We didn't need to do any sanding on this part, so we're going to go ahead and start with our kills. We're moving on to the painting of our door sill. We're going to be applying the kills, mold and mildew. It's going to be pouring it on. If I didn't mention it, this is what this is sitting on. Continuing to work on our door sill. We painted it with 2 coats of Kilz mold and mildew resistant primer. Now we're gonna put on our Behr E600 paint. This is the finished door sill repair. We're still working on the whole door jamb project. If you want to see the beginning of this door sill project, you can click right around here.